Hello everybody. In this video, I will show you how to join paths in Figma Vector Editing Basics. When you're working with vector shapes or creating custom icons in Figma, knowing how to join paths is a crucial skill. It allows you to connect different paths smoothly, expanding your design capabilities significantly. Whether you're new to Figma or looking to enhance your vector editing skills, understanding how to join paths will be incredibly beneficial. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with a couple of straightforward techniques to seamlessly connect your paths. So let's get started. Imagine you have two separate vector paths on your canvas. You might want to merge them into a single, continuous line or create a more intricate shape for your project. There are a couple of methods to achieve this in Figma, and I'll guide you through both so you won't miss any details. Let's begin with the direct approach, manually joining the points. First, ensure that both vector paths are visible and positioned on your canvas. Suppose you've just drawn two lines using the pen tool and now want their endpoints to connect perfectly. Start by zooming in a little so you can clearly see where each path's endpoint is located. Select the Move tool, which is the regular arrow pointer, and gently drag one of the endpoints closer to the other. As you do this, Figma's snapping guides will assist you by automatically aligning the points when they're close enough. When the two endpoints are nearly touching, you'll see them visually connect, almost like magnets pulling together. This step might require a bit of finesse. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect on your first attempt. Sometimes it helps to zoom in even more or drag the points slowly. If the points appear joined but you're unsure, try selecting both points by clicking and dragging over them. Then, right-click and look for the Join Selection option. This ensures that Figma connects them into a single continuous path, much like welding two pieces of metal together, making them stronger and more flexible as one. If you encounter any issues or the connection isn't as smooth as you'd like, using the undo feature and trying again is completely normal, even for experienced users. Now, let's move on to the second method, which is especially useful for more complex paths or when dragging points isn't quite working out. In this method, start by selecting both of your vectors. Hold down the Shift key and click on each one so they're both highlighted. With them selected, right-click and find the Flatten option in the menu. Flattening merges multiple vector shapes into a single path, allowing you to work with them as a cohesive unit. After flattening, you'll notice that both shapes have transformed into a single vector object. Now, you can use the Vector Edit tool to select the individual anchor points you wish to connect. Simply choose the 2 points that need joining, right-click, and select Join Selection. Figma will handle the merging of those anchors, providing a seamless connection. This method is particularly handy when dealing with complicated icons or illustrations where shapes overlap and intertwine. It keeps everything tidy and prevents unwanted gaps from appearing when you zoom in or export your work. Before wrapping up, take a moment to review your new path for any sharp edges or unintended kinks. You can adjust the handles on the anchor points to smooth things out, much like refining the surface of a sculpture for a perfect finish. And that's it. Joining paths in Figma is all about gaining control over how your vectors behave, enhancing your design process with greater flexibility and precision. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to join paths in Figma Vector Editing Basics quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.